The route has been calculated. Please drive onto a digitized road. Follow the road for 400 meters. Turn left after 200 meters and follow the 5. Please turn next right. Keep straight on after 300 meters and follow the 5 towards Causeway. Turn left after 150 meters and follow Hay Street. Prepare to exit left and follow the 94 towards Great Eastern Highway. Take the next exit on the left and follow the 94 towards Great Eastern Highway. Please take the exit on the left. Follow the road for 5 kilometers. Turn right, then take the next left turn immediately. Follow the road for 3 kilometers. Prepare to turn right soon. Turn right after 1 kilometer and follow Epsom Avenue. Please turn next right. After 300 meters, leave the roundabout at the first exit and follow Stanton Road. Leave the roundabout at the first exit. After 300 meters, leave the roundabout at the second exit. Leave the roundabout at the second exit, then take the next right turn. Please turn next right. After 200 meters, leave the roundabout at the first exit and follow Dunreath Drive. Leave the roundabout at the first exit. After 100 meters, leave the roundabout at the fourth exit and follow Dunreath Drive. After 400 meters, leave the roundabout at the fourth exit and continue to follow Dunreath Drive. Leave the roundabout at the fourth exit. Turn left after 150 meters and follow Ross Drive. Please turn next left. Please turn next left, then take the next left turn immediately.